ACB Concepts, Advanced Concrete Basic Concepts, welcomes you. Do you know additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse? Let us learn now. Okay, let us learn first additive identity of integers. For example, I am taking here a positive integer. This is a positive integer. Here additive means plus. So I want the result same as plus 3. So how much here we need to, how much we should add here to plus 3 to get same number as a result. How much we should add 2 plus 3 to get again plus 3 as a result. So answer is here 0. I am taking that negative integer minus 3. I am taking that negative integer minus 3. Additive means plus. So result I want again that minus 3. Here how much I need to add to minus 3 to get minus 3 as a result. Here how much I need to add to minus 3 to get minus 3 as a result. Here also 0. So by adding 0 to either positive integer or negative integer, again you will get that same integer. Let us take an integer a. So additive means plus. So result how much I want as same as a. Here how much we need to add. How much we need to add to a to get a as a result. A as a result. So answer is 0. So here the 0 is the additive identity for integers. Here 0 is the additive identity for integers. So from this we can write as so a plus 0 is equal to a, or 0 plus a is equal to a, or a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. So from this 0 is the additive identity. From this 0 is the additive identity for integers. For integers. Next, multiplicative identity of integers. What is the multiplicative identity for integers? Okay, let us take one positive integer here, that is plus 3. Here multiplicative means multiplication, and that I want the same result plus 3. Here how much I need to multiply 2 plus 3 to get same as to get same plus 3 as result. How much I need to multiply this plus 3 to get same plus 3 as a result. Here what is the answer? 1. What is the answer? 1. 1 is the answer. Again I am taking that negative integer minus 3. So multiplicative means into. So result I want that same as minus 3. So here how much I need to multiply to minus 3 to get same as minus 3 as result. So how much I need to multiply to this minus 3 to get same as minus 3 as a result. Answer is 1. Let us take an integer a. So multiplicative means into. So again I want that a. Here how much I need to multiply to this a to get same as a as a result. Here answer is 1. How much I need to multiply? How much I need to multiply a as a, okay, how much I should multiply to a to get a as a same result. Here answer is 1. So from these examples, what you can write, so a is an integer, a into 1 is equal to a, and 1 into a is equal to a, or a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. So from this equation, here one is additive multiplicative identity. Here one is multiplicative identity. So one is the multiplicative identity for integers. One is the multiplicative identity for integers. Next, additive inverse of integers. What is the additive inverse for integers? So let us take a positive integer here plus 3. Let us take a positive integer plus 3. Additive means plus, here dash. So how much I need to add 2 plus 3 to get additive identity 0? Additive identity 0. How much here? That answer is minus 3. Again taking that minus 3 as a negative integer, and additive means plus. So how much here I need to add to minus 3 to get additive identity 0? Here answer is plus 3. So here minus 3 is the additive inverse of plus 3. Plus 3 is the additive inverse of minus 3. Minus 3 is the additive inverse of plus 3. Plus 3 is the additive inverse of minus 3. Minus 3 comma plus 3 are additive inverse to each other. Let us take an integer a. Additive means plus dash. So how much I need to add to a to get additive identity 0? Here answer is minus a. Again I am taking minus a as a integer, and additive means plus. So how much I need to add to minus a to get additive identity 0? So here what is the answer? Plus a. So minus a is the additive inverse of plus a, and plus a is the additive inverse of minus a. Plus a comma minus a are additive inverse to each other. So from this we can write as so a plus minus a is equal to 0. Minus a plus a is equal to 0, or a plus minus a is equal to minus a plus a is equal to 0. So from this equation, minus a and plus a, from this equation minus a and plus a both are additive inverse to each other. So minus a plus a both are additive inverse to each other. Okay. Additive inverse exists for the integers. Additive inverse exists for integers, but additive inverse not exists for whole numbers. Next, multiplicative inverse of integers. What is the multiplicative inverse for integers? So let us take a positive integer plus 3. So multiplicative means into dash. So how much I need to multiply plus 3 to get multiplicative identity 1? Here answer is what is that answer? How much I need to multiply 2 plus 3 to get multiplicative identity 1? Here answer is 1 by plus 3. That means So plus 3 into 1 by plus 3. So cancel, you will get 1. So 1 by plus 3 is the multiplicative inverse of plus 3. Again I am taking that 1 by plus 3. So multiplicative means into how much I need to multiply, 1 by 3 to get multiplicative identity 1. So answer is plus 3. How? That implies 1 by plus 3 into plus 3. So plus 3 cancel, you will get answer 1, that is multiplicative identity. So here in first example, 1 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3. Similarly, 3 is the, in second example, 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. From this what you write, 1 by 3 into 3 is equal to 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1. So 1 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3, or 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. 3 comma 1 by 3 are multiplicative inverse each other. So 3 comma 1 by 3 are multiplicative inverse to each other. Now take a is an integer. A is an integer. So multiplicative means into. So here dash, how much I need to multiply this A to get multiplicative identity 1. How much I need to multiply to this A to get multiplicative identity 1. So here answer is 1 by A. Again I am taking that 1 by A. So multiplicative means 1. So how much I need to multiply to 1 by A to get multiplicative identity 1. Here answer is A. So from these two examples, 1 by A is the multiplicative identity of A, and A is the multiplicative identity of 1 by A. So A is the multiplicative identity of 1 by A, and 1 by A is the multiplicative identity of A, that is equal to 1. So A comma 1 by A are both multiplicative inverse to each other. 1 by A comma A are both multiplicative inverse to each other. But here 1 by A is not exist in integers. 1 by A is not in the integer. So 1 by A is nothing but a fraction, a rational number. It is not an integer. So the multiplicative inverse is not exist in integers. The multiplicative inverse not exists, not there, not satisfy the integers. Okay, in this video we have learned that additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Thank you.